Hello friends, I hope you're all doing well this month so far. I know for me, there's been a lot going on all of a sudden, in a good way, but I haven't really had the energy to focus on filming videos. However, a few weeks ago I did manage to head outside on one mystical rainy day to capture some moments for you, since I know I have a lot of rain lovers here. So I hope you all enjoy.
You know why I love rainy days so much? Well, there's a lot of reasons, but people don't go out. They stay inside, and then I get nature all to myself. So, it is glorious. So, I think there are fairies here because this is the only tree that has all this going on. Look, there's 4. They're amazing. Check this out. It's really hard to describe how big that is. It's really, really big. Wow.